Right here I have the Edger by Garvee, and this is amazing. I'm going to show you in this video how to use this. Now this actually has its own battery that it comes with and works up to 20 minutes, but when you charge this, it actually charges in about 60 minutes, so you can use it again very quickly. This is a 20 volt 4 amp hour battery, and you have a lot of adjustments. You have a nice handle right here that you can slide up and down and adjust this perfectly to make it really comfortable. You also have adjustments on the top where you can move the guide, which is going to be right here on the bottom, and then you also have more adjustment on this side where you can twist this and loosen it, and you can actually angle the wheel so this rolls either more up or down depending on your liking. Very easy to assemble. This just like clicks in and out. This twists together. It just comes in about 3 pieces. You could set this up right out of the box in probably 2 minutes. So very easy, and we're gonna go ahead, try this out. All right, so as you can see right here, I just put an edge right in the side here. Now, this is definitely going to take me a little bit of practice. I'm not sure if being on the pavement or the grass side is actually easier, but this gives a really nice and defined cut all the way throughout. You can see as I got in here, it definitely slices low, and I love how you can actually dial it in to go lower, or you can hit this a couple times to make it a little bit wider. But you can see how close I was getting it, and just definitely need a little bit more practice when it comes to edging. Now I'm actually going to try to edge around this mulch bed. You can see I have grass in my mulch, but let's see if we can get this nice all the way around. All right, so as you can see, I still need to pull some grass out of this mulch bed, but that was actually able to edge that mulch bed so much faster than I would have been able to do it by myself manually. So I definitely think that this tool really shines when it comes to mulch beds and making it look really nice. You can see how defined it got in there, and I just have to pull a little bit more out of here, but I can go over it as many times as I want, make that a little bit more wide, and it'll look even better. But overall, I think that looks so much better than what it did whenever I started. I have to say, when I first started, I was a little bit skeptical if this would work or not, but after I did put it to the test multiple times, I just think I need a little bit more practice, but this thing really works well. This tool worked so good that I ended up doing my other mulch bed, and after I went around it a couple times, and you can kind of like move it around and make the gap as wide as you want. Obviously, you can still see I have grass up here that I need to pull, but this makes the first kind of cutout just to make it look so nice. So now from here I can pull my grass and I can put a little bit of fresh mulch down for the year, and it'll sink down into that little divot, and it's gonna look so nice whenever it's all done. But this edging tool made it so much easier and faster. I probably did all this in like 3 minutes or less, rather than taking a little hand shovel and a bucket. Doesn't make a mess either, and very easy to use. This is really affordable and definitely something that you should have in your garage to use on your yard. Make sure you add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.